guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you see me with eyeshadow on my lids, but I ain't got my foundation on and I'm opening up this video, that means that I have a foundation review for you guys. Yes, you guys, it's a wear test. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Review. I have seen everybody using this. Everyone's like, it's a $6 foundation. So I'm like, okay, $6 foundation, that's the bombacious. Only thing is, I don't think the color range was that much. So I ended up getting Amber Beige, the medium dark shade. So it's basically a $6 foundation. What I love about this foundation is the marketing. It's photo focus. They put on a little bit of information about the foundation. They put medium dark on there, which I really love, because often a lot of foundations are just like, oh, this is Amber Beige. What the heck is Amber Beige? So they went ahead a step ahead and put medium dark on it, so it was easier for me to buy. They also put some information on the back. So basically this foundation really helps with photo, like you won't get that right reflector when you take a picture. So when you open up the Wet n Wild foundation, you're going to see there is a stick with it, which I really like. I feel like that is a really good technique, so you could just kind of smear it on. I prefer this over nothing, so this is okay for a $6 foundation. At least it wasn't just the bottle, so I am sold on that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this foundation on my face with the stick. And you guys already know, I do one side beauty blender, one side brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend that out. Wow, color is pretty good. The match of the color is pretty spot on. Ooh, and even coverage is not bad. It's not full coverage. So that's just one layer, and I think it looks really good. However, I don't think it's super flash proof, but I mean, it's a really nice foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second layer. I really do think this needs a second layer. It could be because of the beauty blender. You know, the beauty blender tends to soak up a lot of the product. This does feel good on the skin though. This massaging thing. Oh my gosh, I'm like loving it. I love how my skin feels with it on. And the foundation feels light. It doesn't feel super heavy. I've had some foundations that have like a heavy feel to them. And I mean, some of them that do require the heavy feel because they're like a full coverage foundation. So with a brush, I feel like all the brush does is wipes it off. I'm going to put the brush away and I'm just going to continue with the beauty blender. I think this foundation is best used with a damp beauty blender because it is kind of sheer and it's, I don't know, it's just a very liquidy effect to it. And I feel like when foundations have that liquidy feel to them, it's best to use a beauty blender. I really like how fast it dries though. Like, I love that. Just keeps it less messy. It's actually really pretty, you guys. I mean, like, this foundation looks really good. I'm surprised because I was really expecting a fail because it doesn't cover up my scars as good, like my acne well, those are not acne scars, they're probably my pimple scars. $6 foundation. I am pretty intrigued. Consistency, coverage, wear is amazing. My pores look really nice. I look like I have HD skin in person. So as of right now, I would say my first impression of this foundation is pretty good. I am pretty impressed. My face feels good. I'm not itchy. I'm not dying. Everything is okay. So I'm going to go on and test out this foundation for the rest of the day. It is actually 1 o'clock. I don't have my phone with me, but it is 1 o'clock and I'm going to wear it all the way until 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night. So it'll be about like a 8-9 hour wear test and see how it goes throughout the day. It's nice and sunny today out in California, so let's see if this kind of goes through the heat a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and test this out for the rest of the day and you will see the clips here. Okay guys, it's actually 6:06, so I officially have had this foundation on for 5 hours and OMG, you guys, I still love it. It looks so good. Photographically, camera-wise, it looks really pretty. I want to say it does make my skin look a little extra dry that's just because I have dry skin. So I haven't been really good at moisturizing lately, so I was expecting my skin to look a little dry. Maybe if I moisturize it a little bit more, it would be great. But dang, for a $6 foundation, this is pretty amazing. I am so shocked on how it hasn't even faded away. Like, some of my $50 foundations don't even perform this well. It's raining up in California. This foundation lived throughout the rain in California. Y'all, I feel like this Wet n Wild foundation really did good on me. It did do a little bit of creasing over here, but I always get creasing over here. All this underneath my eyes, that's the concealer. I think the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation actually looked really good on me. I'm pretty impressed, and I think it's pretty amazing. So it's a $6 foundation. Do I recommend it? Of course I recommend it. It's worth your coin. I'm not gonna say like it's not worth your coin. I mean, $6 shouldn't be that bad. I know it's $6 maybe a lot for some people, but $6 really isn't a lot for a foundation, especially a foundation that's performing this well. I've had some foundations that I've bought for $50 and they did not perform this well. Trust me. So anyways, I hope you guys do go ahead and try this foundation out. If you want to try this foundation out and purchase it, there are links down below for you guys. If you want to try this foundation out, go ahead and click on the links below. So if you like these foundation reviews and you want to continue to watch these foundation reviews and you want more reviews from me, don't forget to go ahead and press that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell if you're a real fan and you just really want me to keep on going with these videos. You know, that motivates me. The more you subscribe, the more you turn on notifications, the more your girl will appear on YouTube. Also, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Those are our Glam by Runa. All the details as well as my Twitter link is down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!